Hey guys, and welcome to yet another episode. Babo Moshe. Yuck. Hey guys, and welcome to yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt, and with me is Team Shosha, Shweta Rashmi, and Shaumya. क्या हो रहा है यार ये? Hey guys, and welcome to yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt, and with me is Team Shosha, Shweta Rashmi, and Soumya Sharma. और आज हम मूवी डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है सोल, द लेटेस्ट ऑफरिंग फ्रॉम डिज्नी, डायरेक्टेड बाय पीट डॉक्टर. सोल कहानी है एक जैज पियानिस्ट की जो कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली मर जाता है. उसके बाद वो स्वर्ग में जाता है और जहाँ पे वो कोशिश करता है वापस अर्थ में आने की अपनी बॉडी में. Now this movie has been directed by Pete Docter, who's like a Pixar ka superstar because he has directed movies like Monsters Inc. and Up and Inside Out. और ये सभी मूवीज ने ऑस्कर जीता है. So क्या सोल भी इस लिस्ट में शामिल हो सकता है? Let me open the discussion to my teammates. Shweta, what about you? Did you like Soul? Did Soul have soul?
I think I did like it. Like I've mentioned in my previous thing also, I really like Disney films because they just sort of have the power to take me in some other world, and I think Soul again was one of those films which very successfully could do that, and I think that is the reason why I really liked it. Also, जो इसका message जो कि that they're trying to give through the film, that live life to the fullest and all of that, that actually leaves like a nice feel good sort of an impression on you. So I think that is perhaps why the reason why I like the film. Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Soumya?
Same here. Animated movies take us to some other dimension, and this one also did. And like Pete Docter has directed Inside Out, so that was about how feelings feel, and this one was in a nutshell about how a soul feels, and it had its soul in the right place. We can say that, and it was just enjoyable to see these existential crises, in nice shades in this movie, in a very light manner. जो Pixar already करने में बहुत अच्छे हैं, and this one also successfully did that. So yeah, the movie was nice.
Okay, great. Yeah, I like these movies because they always manage to somehow simplify life के बहुत बड़े problems in a very very basic way. So चाहे Inside Out हो, चाहे Monsters Inc. हो, चाहे Up हो, चाहे Soul हो, ये सारी फिल्में जो हैं वो बिल्कुल ही simplify कर देती हैं लाइफ की problems को. Great. So what did you guys like the most about this film? Like, was it the animation, the storyline, the voiceovers, the premise? What did you guys like? Shweta, what about you? What did you like the most about this film?
I think, like you said, the attempt at trying to make, like, just to simplify things, and how they try to show कि this person Joe really wants to perform at Dorothea Williams, her concert, and that is like the one thing that he's been really 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 wanting to do. और जब वो चीज होती है नहीं होती है क्या होता है, मतलब it just basically talks about all of those things and all of those moments. So I think that is perhaps one reason why I really liked it. Also, like I just said, the feel good element that it has. Disney movies always have this happy ending, feel good sort of a vibe, which could also backfire because everything in the end kind of sometimes not make sense also, but that's a different factor altogether. But I think because of the feel good element, I think I like the movie because of that as well. And I've always enjoyed animated films and all, and it's Pixar, so I mean, yeah. So I think, yeah, all in all, I think these were particularly all the reasons as to why I enjoyed the film.
Okay, Soumya, what about you? What do you like the most about the film?
Firstly, the stunning visuals. I mean, all these things जैसे usually we can imagine, places like hell, ऐसे, they're very scary. So Pixar has this quality of making these corporeal places, in presenting them in nice, beautiful pastels. चाहे Twilight का हो. Also, the visuals of Great Before were just totally enchanting. That was one. Then there was this scene in the starting wherein they had these references to other people like Mother Teresa and Abraham Lincoln and all these people in a very funny manner. बहुत light था, and that was very nice. Apart from that, so there was this other scene also wherein they talk about how souls are given different traits right in the beginning. I mean, not after we come on earth, how everything is planned before, how these traits and qualities and quirks are put in people before. So things like these really work for me in the movie. And exactly how they simplified all these things, and what is the motive of life, and how one should count the blessings, all of these things, how they covered all of these things was very nice. Yeah.
Okay, great. So I personally, there was this one moment in the film that hit me really, really hard as an adult. वो सीन ये था कि जिसमें कपल ऑफ सोल्स वो सब ना ऐसे खेल रहे होते हैं और वो एक बिल्डिंग से जाके टकराते हैं, और जैसी बिल्डिंग से टकराते हैं बिल्डिंग उनके ऊपर गिर जाती है. जैसे वो बिल्डिंग गिरती है, जो हमारा हीरो है वो थोड़ा सा शॉक्ड हो जाता है, बोलता है अरे बाप रे क्या हो गया. तो his friend who's accompanying him says that don't worry, nothing happens to them, the souls don't get crushed here, that's what earth is for. So that line hit me pretty deep. So that is the essence of a Pixar or a Disney film, like trust them to make us feel existential at any point, which is personal attacks. But anyway, moving on. So ये तो बात हुई high points की regarding the film. What was it about the film that didn't work out for you guys? What was a little off? Soumya, what about you?
So the movie also has a theme of what a person wants to do, what he is passionate about. And in this movie, is kind of we can call it a coming of age in a manner, where he finds out what he's really passionate about. And his mother has a big role to play in that. Whereas in the movie we haven't really seen that all that much. So I think that bond thing could have been played out a little more in the movie, but that didn't happen. So I think that was a flaw for me.
Okay. Shweta,
unfortunately, that was the only thing that I could think of. Yeah.
Okay. Shweta, what about you?
I think one thing which I sort of did not like was the fact that it was a little too long. And I felt that there were moments which were sort of exaggerated and could have easily been avoided. And there were a lot of times where I felt that. So I think comparatively movie और छोटी हो सकती थी, but I mean that's fine. Also I was expecting some more humor in it. I don't know, maybe it was not meant to have that flavor, but there were times like how Soumya mentioned a couple of scenes, but surprisingly those are the only scenes which I can think of when as far as the humor element is concerned. I don't think of anything else that was perhaps funny. Just these little things like this Abraham Lincoln wala part and this Mother Teresa wala part in the beginning, and all of those little things that happened. So I was expecting a little more humor, but maybe that's not the demographics of it, so that's a different thing. But I think mostly these two things were the reason why it was like a little dull for me at times.
Okay, यार अगर आपको ह्यूमर चाहिए तो आपको सोल नहीं, आपको ढोल देखनी चाहिए थी by प्रियदर्शन. It's pretty funny.
मुझे पता है
that film is funny.
जब मैं बोल रही थी ना कि मुझे ह्यूमर चाहिए था, अभिजीत की शक्ल पे से हल्की सी हंसी आई थी, मुझे समझ में आ गए थे कुछ तो बोलने वाला. I knew it.
Yeah, I was preparing some stuff back then.
Yeah, pretty
So talking of, like Soumya mentioned the mother, मुझे यार वो मम्मी को देख के ना बस literally हर देसी मम्मी याद आ रही थी, because it was so similar. Her mom का reaction, she's like just wants her son to get a permanent job, doesn't want her son to do any part-time job and anything. So that was one thing that I really like, hit home. So another thing I want to discuss was that do you guys feel, क्योंकि देखो festive movie है, so do you guys feel it will live up to the festive expectations? Do you guys feel कि Pixar की जो इतनी बड़ी legacy रही है regarding animation movies, does this movie live up to those expectations? Shweta, does it?
Not so much, very honestly. To some extent it does, but I wouldn't say that this is definitely one of those holiday festive sort of a film, because I did not get that vibe from it. But I mean it's a nice feel good film. It's a one time watch, so if you're watching it from that perspective, then it's fine. But if you're looking for like a holiday festive Christmas spirit kind of a film, I think it would not be that. So yeah, but if it's like a feel good film, then maybe yes.
Okay, Soumya, do you agree?
Somewhat, yes, I do. So we have this great director who's like mastermind in this genre, but I think it was the theme was a little repetitive, and he is kind of playing around the same theme. Whether it was, Coco is also another great movie from Pixar that I love. But so I think Pixar is somewhat repeating these themes. So I think that might be a setback for the movie. Apart from that, in terms of exploring a new dimension in the same in the same universe, that ways the movie was very nice. But I think they need to come out of this a little bit.
ओके यार, मेरे लिए पर्सनली थोड़ा सा कहीं कहीं पे ना ऐसे चीजी सी हो रही थी फिल्म, मतलब ना थोड़ी सी ओवर द टॉप चीजी, ओवर द टॉप गुडी गुडी और ओवर द टॉप थोड़ी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. बट मे बी दैट्स माय सिंस वी आर ग्रोन अप्स, तो मे बी शायद हमें इतनी ऑप्टिमिज्म की आदत रही नहीं, पर हो सकता है भाई कोई और देखे तो उसको ऑप्टिमिस्टिक लगे. सो आउट ऑफ 5 कितने सितारे देना चाहेंगे आप इसको? आई नो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरी अदर फिल्म क्रिटिक आउट देयर, बट क्या सितारे देना अच्छा लगता है कभी कभी, जस्ट एड्स ऑब्जेक्टिविटी टू द एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस. सो श्वेता, हाउ मेनी स्टार्स वुड यू गिव इट आउट ऑफ 5?
2.5. I think it would be a 2.5 only because of these factors that I mentioned, because I was really looking for some humor. यार मेरे को चाहिए थे, मतलब कुछ अच्छा. There could have been moments where it could have been like a little more humorous, and also because of the length. अगर ये दो चीजें सही नहीं होती and it could have been like in place, so I think it would have been like a better watch. So I think 2.5 would be. And also considering the legacy, like you guys are talking about, the kind of movies that have been made, by the same people. Those are some crazy good films, yaar. I mean, I can watch them again and again. But with this film, I don't really get that sentiment. So yeah, 2.5.
Okay, Soumya, how many stars?
I think a 3.5.
Okay, so 2.5 plus 3.5, that's like 6 out of 5. That's a brilliant rating. And on that note, we end this discussion. No, actually, I personally would give it like 3 out of 5. It's a good film. It's a nice feel good film. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास कुछ और है नहीं करने को, और if you just want to let a wave of goodness flow over you, तो आप ये मूवी देख सकते हैं. आपके लिए सही है, फैमिली के साथ जाइएगा. बच्चों को भी ले जाएंगे, क्योंकि बच्चे क्वेश्चन बहुत पूछेंगे, तो जाना भैया. हॉल में
डिज्नी
आ रही हॉल में आ रही है.
अरे
अच्छा, हॉल पे है ही नहीं.
It's only on Disney Plus Hotstar, you guys.
Okay, हाँ, तो अभी हमारी संवाददाता श्वेता रश्मि ने हमें बताया कि ये हॉल में रिलीज नहीं हो रही है, ये आपके घर पे, आपके टीवी स्क्रीन पे रिलीज हो रही है. घर पे भी अगर देखोगे तो बच्चों के साथ देखना, और बच्चे सवाल बहुत पूछेंगे, तो तैयार रहना. ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्कुल मुंह उठा के बैठ गए अपने बच्चों के साथ, बेइज्जती मत कराना अपनी, पहले बता रहा हूँ. So that was our review of Disney's latest offering, Soul. It's as the general consensus is, it's definitely a one-time watch, something that you can watch with your family. तो आप भी मूवी देखिएगा और देख के हमें बताइएगा कैसी लगी मूवी आपको. Did our review help? If it didn't help, तो भी हमें बता देना भाई कमेंट्स में. थोड़ा प्यार से बताना है, क्योंकि देखो ईयर एंड है, तो हम भी चाहते हैं कोई गाली वाली कम पड़े हमें, है ना. तो प्यार से थोड़ा कमेंट्स लिखना. बाकी if you guys want us to review any video /film/ हम तो शादी के वीडियोस भी हम रिव्यू करने को तैयार हैं. बर्थडे पार्टी, मुंडन पार्टी, कुछ भी वीडियो किसी भी प्रकार का यहाँ पे उचित मूल्यों पर रिव्यू किए जाते हैं. तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें बताइए what all videos and all you want us to review, and we shall see you guys soon with yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. Till then, it's goodbye from Team Shosha. Please stay safe and stay happy.
Happy New Year.
Bye.